we are in Sudirman Street. We're now going to interview some random people and let's ask their experiences in Sudirman Street. Permisi Kak, saya mau interview kalian berdua buat nggak dulu. Oke, permisi Kak, boleh saya interview buat video? Nggak dulu. Ya udah, kasih.
Ya maaf ya.
Ya. Halo guys, hari ini saya punya interview dulu. Ya, interview aja 1 menit. Si guys boleh melakukan interview buat 1 menit aja. Ya, kasih. People here are not good, but it's fine. You know what? Let's do a montage of what ya? I don't even know. How about chairs? Saya chair. This is a chair, right? Now I will make a time lapse. 3, 2, 1, go.